Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to withdraw your funds from Prizepicks to your PayPal account in 2025, then this video is for you. So make sure that there is enough fund for withdrawal in your PayPal account. So first you have to open your Prizepicks application and log into your account. So you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo and debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So if it's your first time, then you have to, if you are withdrawing your funds for the first time and you have selected PayPal as a withdrawal method, then you have to add your PayPal account credentials. It will just redirect you to your PayPal login page where you have to add your username and the password or the email or the phone number with the valid password. Then you have to log into your PayPal and you have to give the permission to integrate with Prizepicks or use PayPal as a withdrawal method in Prizepicks. So after adding that, you can go to the request process. So you can request a withdrawal. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the main menu located at the top left corner of the Prizepicks apps. It will look like this here, the three horizontal line button at the top left corner of your application. So if you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. From here, you can select request withdrawal in this top right corner, just like the same three horizontal line button. Then from there, you can find this request withdrawal option. You can simply click on that request withdrawal option. Then you will receive a one-time password, the OTP code, by email as soon as you request for withdrawals. Then you have to verify yourself through this two-factor authentication. No further action is needed on your part. They will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal are successful or not. So you have to do is make sure that there is minimum amount of $10. But if you have less amount than this, then it won't approve your withdrawal process. It will show you zero amount. It might show you the zero amount, but it won't withdraw that money to your PayPal account. The refund or the credit will get back into your account after some time. So you can find there is something like if you deposit $25 in, you must submit and play through $25 worth of liners before you can withdraw. So keep it in your mind, so you can withdraw that amount after winning the same amount of money from Prizepicks. Also, if your lineup must be submitted using credit funds, not the promo funds, in order to counter your payroll requirement. So here is, you can find that only one successful withdrawal is permitted during 24-hour time frame. If your withdrawal request process at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 1 p.m. the following day. So that's pretty much thing. Here you can, when you simply click on this request withdrawal, you can find this type of interface after the two-factor authentication, after adding the exact OTP that you got through your email address. Then you can choose your bank account from here, online bank. You can click on that and you have to choose the PayPal from here. When you have PayPal, then you have to simply click on fund and you can add your fund that you have right now. So after that, you have to simply click on submit request and you can find your withdrawal request here in this section, in that processing. So after successful processing, you can find it will withdraw or send to your PayPal account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.